Activating your WebAdvisor account video. Welcome everyone. This video will show you the steps of activating your WebAdvisor account. Now first and foremost, we have to get to your WebAdvisor account. Now you're on your home page here. But to get to your WebAdvisor account, you have to click on Get Connected on the top of the page here. So click on Get Connected. Then you got to move to the left hand side of the screen and click on WebAdvisor, which is located right here. Alright, now you're on the WebAdvisor account page, but you currently don't have an account activated yet. So you have to move to the left hand side of the screen where it says Activate My Account. So click on Activate My Account. Now it's requesting for your username and your student ID number. Now your username is your last name, your first initial, your first name, and your last four, your student ID number. Now remember, it has to be all lowercase here. So type in your last name, your first initial, your first name, and your last four, your student ID number. Okay. Now move on down to the next box. Type in your full student ID number here. Alright, after you've done that, move on down to Next and click on Next. Now it's requesting of your last four of your social security number, your date of birth, and your zip code. Now go ahead, type in your last four of your social. Move on down to the date of birth. Alright, now for the zip code, just want to point out to you guys that it has to be the one that we have on your admissions application, unless you informed us otherwise and completed any paperwork to change your address. So if you haven't changed your address and you've moved recently, we still have the old zip code that was on the admissions application, so use that one if you have not informed us of the change of your address. Okay? So go ahead, put in your zip, and click on Next. Now, it's asking for you to create a password. Now, note this, do not use any part of your name to create your new password. Also, you have to use a lowercase character, uppercase character, a number, or a special character here. Okay, now you only have to use 3 of the 4. So go ahead and create a password that matches all those criteria. Alright, make sure you confirm your password. Now we're going to move on down to security questions. Pick one of these security questions here. Okay? Type in your answer. Alright, then move on down to the bottom here where it says Finished and click on Finished. Alright, now you've already created your WebAdvisor account, but in order to get into your account and see it, you got to click here and log in one more time. So click on this little hyperlink here. Alright, click on the top where it says Login. And go ahead, type in your username, which remember is your last name, your first initial, your first name, and your last four, your student ID number. And then go ahead, type in the password you created. And click on Submit. And it'll take you right into your WebAdvisor account.